lesson, we'll be learning all about how to create a bird's app. So first, I'm going to add the label so that we can understand it's a bird's app, and the bird so that we can click it to make the sound as the name of the bird, and also some more detailed information. So I'm just going to catch you back after I'm done with all those stuff. So as you can see, this is the whole user interface. Now let us add the code for these birds. So I'm gonna go over here, and you can see this is the bird section. And in this bird section, I'm gonna add the code. So first, let me add this block I made over here. You can see we need this block like this. So this is the when the bird crow is clicked, then it's going to make the sound crow. Okay, and after this, I want to make the sounds of other birds like the dove. Like this. Where's penguin? I didn't have penguin. Bang, 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 bang. Oh, two peacocks? No. After that, pigeons, sparrow, and another guy, woodpecker. So now let's add these guys to their mothers. So the mother of bird 2 is button 2. So let's add that. The mother of hummingbird is button 3. What is this? Is button 3. After hummingbird is parrot, and then penguin, and then peacock. So the mother of 9 done. So you can see button 1 crow, button 2 dove, button 3 hummingbird, button 4 parrot, button 5 peacock, button 6 penguin, button 7 pigeon, button 8 button 7 pigeon, button 8 sparrow, button 9 woodpecker. So this is the code. So now it's time to preview this app. So now guys, as you can see, I'm in my mobile, and you can see this is the app. So we got a bird's label in the top, and then we got, you can see that, and then we got this from Belman says the link and my name over there. And then we got the birds like the crow, the dove, the hummingbird, and the parrot, and the peacock, and the penguin, and the pigeon, the sparrow, and the woodpecker. So now let us click on each of them and hear what it says.
Crow, dove, hummingbird, parrot, peacock, penguin, pigeon, sparrow, woodpecker.
So everything is right, and it is good. It's saying crow, dove, hummingbird, parrot, peacock, penguin, pigeon, sparrow, and woodpecker. I sometimes stop because I'm not able to say pigeon. That's why. Yeah. So this is our app, and I hope you like this lesson. And if you want to learn more, then subscribe to my class.